I've bought the Ulefone RugKing 4 Pro off Amazon. I think it was about £160, something like that. And I've only took the cellophane wrapping off. I've not opened the box or anything like that. You're opening this together. So it comes with the phone, obviously, a warranty sticker, a 3-pin plug, and a charge cable. And in the packet we get some energy sticker, a user manual, a warranty card, something else, a USB pin, and we also get a tempered glass screen protector. So, and in this box which also came with it, it wasn't extra, a protective case, like it needs a protective case, a clip for your belt, I guess, and a carabiner style thing. So it comes with, if you can see that on the camera, we'll take it out of the packaging. Comes with a IP68, IP69K proof, a 6.56 inch display at 120 Hz, 256 GB of RAM, a 48 megapixel camera on the rear and a 2 megapixel camera on the rear for short distance. You can get a dock for these. I haven't got the dock. Built-in glare flashlight, a Unisonic T7250 processor, a 8 megapixel front camera, and a 12,200 milliamp hour battery, and also has NFC for paying, Google Pay and things like that. So we'll switch this on and we'll set it up together. So this has started up now. We'll take the front screen off. And it says to connect, so put your SIM cards in. So I'll do that now. So I'll put the SIM card in. SIM card 1. So SIM card 1 is in. And I will put the SD card in as well, while I am doing this. Saves me taking it out later. So I'll put the SD card in. So that's a 60 4GB memory card going in. Put the thing back on so it's waterproof. Let me connect it to the internet and I'll be back. So it's now connected to the internet. It seems it's very rugged. It's quite a big phone. It's quite. I think it weighs 400 grams. For comparison, this is a iPhone 13. For comparison, and it's not that much bigger than an iPhone 13, but it feels fairly big. And now it's asking me if I want to copy from my Google account, which I don't. So I'll sign into Google and I'll be back in a moment. So I'm now signed into Google after I've had to use this device to authorize it because it's logged in on this device. I have to agree to all the terms and conditions. So I'll set a PIN. Set your fingerprint. So do that just by pressing the side. To do it all over the finger, so it's got a good chance of recognizing it. It's asking me if I want to use location and things like that, so we'll accept all of that. We'll turn back up on. So it's asking me which search engine I want to use now. So we'll use Google because Google. So your contacts can discover your device and share with you when they're nearby. For example, they can send you a high quality photo. So yes, we'll do that. So meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant. Hold down the power button to talk to Gemini or turn on Hey Google. So I'll turn on Hey Google. So we'll use this one. So we can add another account, we can change text displays, we can change the wallpaper or control the info on lock screen. So we'll change wallpaper. Well, these are pretty cool. It's taken a while to update. So we'll change that to home screen. We'll go back. I wonder what the lock screen is going to be. Well, the lock screen is just the time. So we can, on the lock screen, we can show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show. So we'll show all notification contacts, and we're done for now. And here we are. So we have, it doesn't seem the fastest phone in the world. It's like a bit of a blur when you go fast, but if you go slow, it seems okay. You've got things like YouTube. We've got Play Store. We've got Netflix here. Calendar. All the things you'd expect to get. So I'll finish setting up the device. So it has 2 cameras here and here. One's a 48 megapixel camera, one's a 2 megapixel camera for close-up things. One is a torch and a flash, which I'm told are super bright. And you have buttons here, so this is a fingerprint scanner, volume up and down. I don't know what that one does. I think it does, you can set it to do certain things, like take photos and go on certain apps and things like that. The charger is down here. Which I can't seem to open. So the charger is quite far back, as you can see, and it's got quite a good case around it, so it's waterproof. So it's asking me to copy data, so we won't do that. So we'll see what the text displays. So this is like the size of the text. That's going to be on bold text. This isn't a paid promotion, by the way. I bought this myself for when I'm doing explores and builds and things like that. So it's a bit more rugged and a better camera. So we'll watch something on YouTube to see what the graphics is like. So this is the graphics.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out.
So it has a mono speaker, which is quite loud. It's quite clear, and we'll see what the camera's like next. The camera, I believe, is here. So the camera it's quite detailed. We have night mode as well, so you can zoom. We also have Google Lens. So Google Lens, so you can take a picture of something. It'll tell you all about it. So basically it's a phone charger and various images that look similar or the same, which is really useful when you're looking for things. So I'll test it out over the next couple of couple of weeks, couple of months or whatever, I will report back probably in a week's time with how I found it, and we'll go from there really. I'll probably go out in a couple of days, maybe later on today, and record some content with it. So maybe the next content you see will be recorded on this instead of the GoPro, and we'll see what the quality is like. Any questions, feel free to ask. If you want the link from Amazon, let me know and I'll link the product in Amazon. I'm sure it was about £160, so it's good phone for the money. You get a lot of phone for the money, and it's a tough, rugged phone, which is what I needed. It is slightly bulky, it's bigger than an iPhone or something. But if you're dropping phones, or if you're doing vehicles or exploring or whatever, then it's probably the phone for you. And so yeah, if you want ask any comments, I will answer the best I can. I've got one, so if you want to ask anything specific around the product, I'm happy to show you the one that I've got before you buy one. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.